Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Homecoming from the 17th to 21st of August 2026 on Monday. Shwabi, Shobani and Lwazi get out. Constable Dlamini questions the justice system, and the return of a prominent Okambeni resident stir up a lot of excitement on Tuesday. Khathazile is done with Shobani. Msizi's beef with Skodo becomes a potential war. Zethu threatens the captain on Wednesday. Metron Khathazile makes a heartbreaking decision. Shwabi cannot believe the surprise that await him at home. The boys tempt Vusi on Thursday. Shwabi is backed into a corner, but Mantuli arrives to remind him that he is never alone. Mangcobo surprises herself when she stands up to Mantuli. Msizi is a hero to the kids in the village, but his past is fast encroaching. On Friday, Msizi stands before his community preaching integrity, unaware his world is collapsing behind him. Mangcobo learns that living a monster doesn't guarantee sanctuary. Shwabi celebrates a victory while his empire crumbles. Well guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.